Working on the core here. Yes. Legs into tabletop, shins parallel to the ground, and then knees just above the hips. You're gonna start, let's just start with the legs first. Yeah, so try and keep your arms parallel here. We go inhale, we keep that spine imprinted into the mat. Exhale, take it back. Inhale, exhale. The second part is coming back and starting to pull down. Inhale, try and control through the shoulder blades and the armpit. Exhale. Good. Option here as well to inhale, extend the legs. Exhale, come back. Yes. And then finally, we're gonna go up and pulse and pulse and pulse. You can keep the legs bent if it gets too difficult. And little bonus as well to do it, legs open and through into straddle. Here as well, yeah? Good. Now for your mobility, shoulder mobility, single leg stretch, we start in the same position, but the knee is gonna really pull towards the chest. You're gonna bring the arms around and down, and you're gonna squeeze. Don't forget to squeeze the leg as well. Slowly control the way back down, and change leg, and exhale. And down, back up, always come back, not like this, come back with constant tension, and then we change, and arms around, and change, and around. There we go. Cool.